Starlink uses a satellite internet service with over 50,000 satellites in low Earth orbit, ideal for rural areas where cable isn't available. Expect speeds of 25 to 220 megabps at download and 5 to 25 megabps upload. It excels in mobility with portable dishes. In optimal conditions, Starlink Gen 2 satellites can reach up to 220 megabps at download and latency under 20 milliseconds. Xfinity, on the other hand, uses cable and fiber optic technology. It offers consistent speeds from 50 megabits to 10 gigabits, mostly in urban and suburban areas. Xfinity has data caps, while Starlink generally doesn't, but Starlink has deprioritization during times of congestion. Consider Xfinity for low latency, 520 milliseconds, and Starlink for when wired connections are unavailable. Starlink excels in mobility with portable dishes, while Xfinity provides low latency in wired areas. Starlink has no hard data caps but may deprioritize during congestion, whereas Xfinity enforces data caps. Choose Starlink for rural or mobile internet needs, and Xfinity for consistent low latency connections in populated areas.